Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Authentic Louisiana Gumbo is a soulful, rich stew celebrated worldwide for its deep, complex flavor. This iconic dish truly embodies comfort food, often featuring a dark roux, the aromatic trinity of celery, bell pepper, and onion, along with hearty stock and your choice of meats or seafood. Learning to cook gumbo means bringing a delicious piece of Southern culinary heritage into your home. It's more than just a meal. It's a warm, inviting experience for friends and family alike. The secret to any great gumbo truly lies in its roux, which provides the foundational flavor and essential thickening. You will combine equal parts oil and all-purpose flour, cooking this mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously to ensure it does not burn. Your goal is a rich, dark brown color, similar to milk chocolate or an old copper penny. This deep hue signifies a perfectly toasted roux, ready to infuse your entire pot with incredible depth. Once your perfect roux is ready, it's time to build those bold flavors. First, gently sauté your holy trinity, that's chopped onions, celery, and green bell peppers directly in the roux until they become fragrant and softened. Next, introduce your protein. Whether it's chicken, sausage, or seafood, brown it slightly to add another layer of flavor. Then, slowly pour in your warm chicken or seafood stock, making sure to scrape up any tasty brown bits from the bottom of the pot. Now for the most important part, the long, slow simmer. Bring your gumbo mixture to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a low setting. Let it simmer, uncovered, for at least 1 hour or even 2. This patient process allows all the ingredients to meld beautifully, creating that deeply complex and harmonious flavor you crave. Serve your rich, piping hot gumbo over fluffy white rice, and offer a dash of filet powder at the table for an authentic finish. To achieve true gumbo perfection, remember a few key tips. First, never ever rush your roux. It is the very heart of the dish and deserves your patient, constant stirring. Second, always adjust your seasonings after the long simmer, as those wonderful flavors will intensify and combine perfectly over time. Finally, for an extra burst of freshness and color, sprinkle in some chopped green onions and fresh parsley just before you serve your magnificent, homemade gumbo. Enjoy every spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.